First one is equation of velocity time relation. Okay, what is the equation of velocity time relation? V is equal to u plus at. So let us learn how to derive the equation for velocity time relation using graphical method. Consider a velocity time graph. Okay, you have to mark the time in x-axis and y velocity in y-axis. You already learned that the slope of a velocity time graph gives what? A slope of a velocity time graph gives acceleration. So here you have to draw a line parallel to OC and mark it as D. Okay, so here the object starts travel from a point A and it ends in point B. So we mark initial velocity u in the point A and we mark the final velocity in point B, that is V. So here the initial velocity u equals what? OA. Initial velocity u equals OA and the final velocity equals, what is final velocity from B to C? So the final velocity V equals BC and the time t is equal to what? OC. So here we can derive the velocity time relation. So we can write, what is BC here? BC equals BD plus CD, right? The line BC equals BD plus CD. So BC equals BD plus, here OA is parallel to CD. So we can write OA here. Okay. So BC is what? BC is what? Final velocity V. So substitute BC equals V. So V equals, what about BD? BD plus what is OA? OA means what? Initial velocity is. So you write U. So BD equals V minus U. Okay. Then here what is the equation of acceleration? Acceleration equals change in velocity by time, right? So here what is change in velocity? This is U and this one is V, right? We already learned that a slope of the velocity time graph gives what? Acceleration. So here this portion OA is U, initial velocity, that means this OA is parallel to CD. So here this is U, CD is U and BC is V. So what about change in velocity? Change in velocity means what? BD. This is change in velocity. BD is change in velocity, right? So this is V minus U. So you have to write acceleration is equal to BD by time. So you have to multiply this. So AT is equal to BD. What is BD? BD means V minus U. Substitute BD equals V minus U. So you have to take this. V is equal to U plus AT. Understood? So take this, V is equal to, you have to take minus U to there, so it becomes plus. So V equals U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. You all understood how to derive the first equation of motion graphically?